Now let's discuss what is clean code. Without any conceptual definition, let me explain it with an example. Suppose this is a block of code and this is another block of code. These two blocks exactly do the same thing. So as a coder, just read the first block of code, and if you want to modify this code, you have to invest a lot of time to know what it does. On the other hand, this block of code is very easy to read. As the two blocks do the same thing, anyone can write this messy code because this code is equivalent to this code. But this is not a good code. It is very messy and bad code, and it is clean code. So in a nutshell, clean code has three properties. That is, it should be readable, it should be simple, it should be maintainable. Now, let me apply these three characteristics with these two blocks of code. If I apply readability to this block of code, it is not readable. It does not compile readability. It does not compile simplicity. It does not compile maintainability, because anyone want to modify this code have to invest a lot of time. So it is not maintainable. On the other hand, this block of code is perfectly readable. So it compiles readability, it compiles simplicity, and it is maintainable. It compiles maintainability. So whenever write any code, ask yourself, does your code compile readability, simplicity, and maintainability? If answer of these three questions is yes, then you can confirm your code is perfectly clean. I know you may ask one question. If anyone writes such a messy code and you want to refactor it to this nice and clean format, how can you do this? I will discuss in detail how can we transform from this bad and messy code to this clean code. I will explain every step. I ignored this step because my intention is to explain what is clean code, what is messy code.